Hi, Jimboy. Hi, Anuki. Hello. JL, thank you for tapping. Hi, sino to? Yung kuan. Yes, I'm from Bangkok. Oh, Bangkok daw siya galing, guys. Diba maganda yung place ng Bangkok? Kahit hindi naman natin nakita, sige. Maganda naman yung videos, ganon. I like speak Thai. Yes, because you are a Thai person. Of course, you do like speaking in Thai. Magalit, Pikon. Sobrang ganda nyo naman po, bebe. Hi, Ronald. Sino nagagalit? Hi, Niklam. Munti ko sanang i-press yung love button ba? Oh, at saka follow na rin pagdaan mo sa live ko, anak. Oo nga, naka-follow po ako eh. Naka-follow po ako. I live since my born. Oh! That's good. Tanungin nyo nga guys kung nakapunta na ba siya ng Pinas. Have you been in the Philippines? Kobe, English is my second language. Oh, as to, we speak Tagalog. Our second language is English. Actually, it's a universal language for all people. Kung sa kanila nagalit ha, sinabihan na pangit, edi naman siya pangit. Sino Arnold? She's one most prettiest girl host that I saw today. ID number. Thank you so much. Hi, Trixie, Kobe. I've been before in Propadag and Conchiang. O sige, mag-usap kayo, Buknoy. Kasi di ko alam yan eh. Di ko alam kung saan yan. What is your city daw? What is your city? My city is General Santos City. Do you know General Santos City? Sino to? Hi, Ross.